Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so we have the following structure. And what we want to do is write this in the correct format, right? So ideally, what we're going to be doing is anytime something branches, we've got to put it in parentheses, right? But we also want to identify like what's our chain that we're considering that we have things branching off of. So really what we're looking for is what is the chain of carbons that we have that anything other than carbon is branching off of, right? So for example, I see that we have a chain of 3 carbons, okay? So OH is not going to be part of my chain. That's going to be branching off of my chain, right? So for example, if I want to start and move left to right, I've got a CH, or I could say HC, right? And then branching off of that is an OH, okay? And then in the chain, so not in parentheses, I have a CH, right? And then continuing the chain is the CH3, right? So that's basically the idea. Identify the chain, in this case, C to C to C, okay? If there's a hydrogen, then we're going to lump those together in with our C's, right? So our chain is a CH, right? To start with, we've got another CH right here, and we've got a CH3 at the end, okay? And then anything that we haven't considered as being part of that chain, or a hydrogen on a carbon in the chain, will be in parentheses because it's branching off, right? So that's why we put that here. And then we just kind of cram these two together because there's nothing actually in between. Or we don't have anything else branching off of this carbon, for example. I just left ourselves some space. That's the basic idea. And then sometimes you'll see the hydrogen put out front instead of like this.